Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, after handing over this borehole, we have started to distribute breads, which has been sponsored, has been donated to our sisters and brothers of this place, the beneficiaries of this water wall, the beneficiaries of this project, Alhamdulillah, in this village, Kinkiza village, in Nakasongola district. We are distributing breads to them. Alhamdulillah. We thank you so much. Keep supporting us. Keep supporting Amicab, because there are a lot of need, people in different areas, in remote areas, who are in need of borehole, innovation, new construction, and many more. Clean water is much important in our region, in East Africa, in Africa at large, most especially in Uganda. Abongeze.